let's give this a shot. I know it's been every bit of, well, if I wait another 2 weeks to upload this, it's going to be 4 years since the last time I uploaded a video. But let's go ahead and start making some more, hopefully. This is the last fan that I ever got from the Warren Community Trade Center about 2 or 3 days before they closed their doors. That's where probably more than half of the fan collection that I have has come from over the past, well, pretty much my whole life, really, since I was 5 or 6 years old. And January the 19th, they closed the doors forever, and the owner went a different way with the building, and that's that. Just about all the local flea markets around there that I used to get my stuff from are closing up, really, but it is what it is. But this is probably a early 60s, late 50s, early 60s country Aire C-22. The model tag isn't really in good enough shape to read, but if you look at it, it's not a C-122, it's a C-22, because it's older. It's sort of teal, but a lot of it's gone. It's got a Redmond motor in it. That's why I think it's probably more of a late 50s. Plus it's got the original style rubber grommet mounted motor brackets on the back. But little thing runs pretty good. It didn't when I got it. It probably had never been oiled in its life, and the motor was jammed right to the top with dirt. But with some serious work and some serious help from an air compressor, it runs sweet. So here's a little. And the humming in the background is that fluorescent light. Yeah, this little thing runs sweet. Just I've noticed people doing it lately. I dug my kilowatt out. Pulling 0.8 amps and about 72 watts. Excuse me. Here's high. Stand is not very well centered. It's missing a couple feet. It hauls ass on high, I'll tell you what. And on high it pulls about 1 1/4 and 100 watts. Has a little bit of a hum to it, but it runs good. I'll shut it off. I looked at this fan up there for the better part of 6 or 7 years, probably, that the guy had it in his booth, and he would never ever sell this thing to me. I asked him for it over and over and over, and he would not sell it. And the day they were cleaning everything up and he was emptying his booth out, I seen him unloading, and I says, "Hey, why don't you let me give you 15 bucks for that little fan and not bother taking it home with you?" And he says, "You know, you bugged the hell out of me for this thing for the past 10 years. Fine, take it." So, here it is. And I'm glad to have it. Last thing I'll ever get from there. But hopefully we can start making some videos again, and we'll try and get a proper update in tomorrow on everything and what's been happening, and hopefully we'll be able to get some more fan videos going here. With all this COVID-19 stuff going on, I certainly have time to do them. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, don't get no virus, and we'll talk to you later.